Right people, I got this base unit off a plasma television, 52 inch I think it was, and this is one of the brackets that held up the screen bit, and I'm thinking of using this to make a motor pod for my nice EV, and I think what I'll do is I'll place the motors on, and then you can see how I'm thinking of mounting them, and yeah, it should be good. There, what do you think of that? I reckon that bit of plastic could hold 4 altogether. Move it up at this end a little bit more. Job done. Yeah, that'd be good. What do you take me for? A complete idiot? I'm beyond complete. I am the perfect idiot. Plastic mounting motors. Not a very good idea, was it? But that might be. What do you think of that? And it's free. And it's heavy. I don't mean it's too heavy for my nice EV. It's heavy enough that it will support the 4 motors, I hope. And it is flipping thick, and it's galvanised. I think that's pretty good. Right, I obviously need a bigger television. Now, right, this plate's only big enough by the time I've squared it up for 3 motors. So what I'm going to do is, instead of having 3 motors, what I'll do is I'll get another base, and I will square it up. Square the plate up to mount 2 on at a time, which in a way is a good idea, because if I have problems with one motor, then I've only got to take a pair out. I don't have to take the whole group out, which means I can probably run on 2 motors on one side. I could even switch out 2 motors on the other side, so I'm just running on 2 motors either side to get me home. So that's what I'm going to do, and all I need now is another 52 inch television with this plate in the bottom, and then I can make the whole motor pod. In the meantime, I can carry on cutting this plate square, ready. As you can see, there's 3 different motors here. So I've still got some washing machines I need to get and strip down to get 4 identical motors. And eventually I'll get enough washing machine motors, I'll have all the motors I need, and then I'll have other motors which aren't able to be paired up for this project, and I can use them for other projects, like one of them I could use for my Victorian project I got planned, or I'm planning. And I think that'll be great stuff. Right, there you go peeps, there's the first part of the motor pod. I should leave a generous amount either side, but it's going to be good. Well, I'm absolutely over the moon with it, to be honest. I'm not working without my very special tool. It's the only good tool in any workshop. Oh, and the reason that we're in the kitchen is because it's being cold out there. Right, this piece is 20 inches? What the hell are 20 inches? 29 inches long, or 740 mil long. At its widest, it is 13 inches or 330 millimeters. And the narrowest bit here is, we'll call it 130 mil or 5 inches. I know I'm not being accurate, but that's general ballpark prices. What is the matter with my mouse today? Prices. Right, let's see if we can work out how thick this baby is. Right, it's about 4 mil. Or about 1/8 of an inch. And it weighs a ton. Right. Imagine buying that, even squared up. That cost a pretty penny, wouldn't it? Onward and upwards.